This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 333 Rets is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Coachmen RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 36 feet 7 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, smoke detector, microwave, water heater, stovetop burner, LP detector, TV, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, TV antenna, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features rear entertainment, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 333 Rets is 8,628 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Coachmen RV.